Today we're going to be putting this float switch on my bilge pump on my boat today. These wires here are going to be clipping off, and these wires here go down to the bilge pump, and then I'll put the float onto this one here, and then we'll see how it works out. Alright, here I am wiring this up. I got one wire from the switch coming from the switch on the dash, and the other end of the wire from this switch going down to the pump. I'm going to crimp this on here into here, and then I'm going to heat shrink it. I'll bring it back after I do it. Alright, you can see I got it all wired up going down to the pump. And there's the pump. I gotta fish the float over here and find a home for it. Let's see if I can reach it. Directions say to have it facing this way. But we don't have much room here. I'll bring it back when I figure it out. As you can see, I have the float bolted to the floor, and we'll turn on the switch. I'll come over here. Flick up. Excellent. That's how you do it. You just tie it into the main wire, into the switch, onto your pump. You leave your switch on, and then it'll come on when the water gets high in your bilge. Now I gotta put this bolt back together. Put the doghouse back on it. Call it a day. Thank you for watching. Talk to you again soon. Goodbye.